mga solid ka ay babies, welcome back to another vlog. Finally, after quite some time, nakabalik na rin tayo sa panibagong adventure. Oo, thank you kaayo sa inyo pa rin na suporta. O kung ikaw bago pala ka sa atong channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our growing ka-ay babies family. And for today's vlog, iuban ko kamo sa usa na pud ka-exciting na event, ang DTC Sports Fest 2026 in partnership with Department of Labor and Employment. Kini usa ka annual Sports Fest activity. Nagkayusa diri ang mga sugarcane planters o nagkadaiyang cooperatives under the sugarcane industry. Pinaagi sa healthy competition, teamwork o camaraderie.
Congratulations, everyone. Good morning.
This is a two-day celebration, so without further ado, let's kick off day 1. The day officially started with a parade of the participants. Nakita nyo ganina, di ba? Where every cooperative proudly marched with confidence and pride. O makita nyo ninyo ganina ang spirit of unity. Bisan pa man sa lanlain na cooperative or teams. Human sa parade, gisundan kinig usa ka meaningful opening program. And then came one of the most symbolic moments of the ceremony, the torch lighting ceremony, led by our provincial director, Sir Iyong. And of course, dili sa wala ang banner parade. Diin ipakita sa matag cooperative ang ilang creativity o identity, pinaagi silang colorful banners. And shout out to our marching band na grabe kahawd manugtog. And yes, one of the exciting part of this Sports Fest 2026 ay for the very first time ever giapil gyud ang field demonstration competition featuring sa 8 amazing cooperatives. Nag-ready na ang tanang mga dancers o kana nakita ninyong main color dira? Amua ka na. So, shout out to Paramount Multipurpose Cooperative Dancers. So, grabe ka madasigo ni sila o Kap. Well prepared ka ika nga no. Every night ang practice man. So, niagi ta diari o ka ng tangking o kalintura. Pero of course, sukul gihapon. O niya ang Field Demonstration Competition 2026. Please watch this.